I think the first thing to do would be to determine if you do have a market in your area in the Caribbean.
Mhm.
And then if that looks good, and you can do that on Airbnb, and I would believe those results. You can actually plug in your address on the Airbnb app
Okay.
and see an estimate of your monthly income. And I didn't believe it at first. And I didn't do anything for a few years because I thought, oh, this is hype. But I think it's pretty accurate. Yeah, I vouch for it now because, I've proven it with my guest houses. So yeah, I would do that. And then if that looks good, then I would look at, reforming it for the purpose of being a guest house.
So what you're saying is that if I go to Airbnb and I plug in the address,
Yeah.
That will create a kind of estimate of the potential income.
That's right.